Hey everyone, today I will be unboxing the new Unifi 6 long-range access point. This was available for pre-order with shipments starting on January 19th. The price was $179 US. Right now, today I'm currently using the UAC-Lite access point, and let's get into this. So the first thing you'll notice is they now come with a plastic covering over the top. It's also a much bigger access point than the current AC lights that I'm using. As you'll notice, it says Unifi 6 on it. It also has this little rubber piece on the bottom so that you can probably weather protect it. Next thing that you'll see in the box are the mounting brackets. The nice thing about the paper one is that it has a little level on it, and then your normal two brackets to mount it on there. Both are metal. Next thing that you have in the box is your typical hardware to mount the access point. And then the last thing in the box is a little quick start, which I will actually put a video at the end of this if anyone wants to stick around and watch that. It just shows you how to mount the access point. So the first thing is, if you use the iPhone app, you can actually just open it. It's going to recognize it. You can click setup, and it's going to begin the setup of it, where you can first name your access point, and then I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. But this is going to be the setup, which took about 40 or 50 seconds for it to adopt. And once that was added, you will hear that beep. So what I want to show you first is the speeds that I was getting with the AP lights. So I was getting about 350, 360 down, and with my internet provider, I'm actually paying for about 500. Sometimes I'll get about 550, and then the upload is around 50, 55, depending on the day. So as you can see here, was getting 353 for the down, and for the up, it looks like just around 40. And this was now with the new access point installed. So you'll see that it bursts over 700. I think that's just kind of how it goes with the internet provider. But then it settles back into the actual speed, which is, like I said, right around kind of that 550, 560 mark. And then the upload, as I mentioned, you'll see it get into kind of that 50 range, which is what I was expecting. So really big upgrade. Honestly, wasn't expecting it to be that fast. But it's nice that I can now fully utilize the speed of my internet. So as I mentioned, here's the guide to kind of installing it. If you want to stick around for this, the only other thing that I'd like to mention is this is just my first kind of initial impressions. I will be doing more videos specifically on this along with the rest of my Unifi gear. So please subscribe, like this video, so that I know to make more of these videos. Leave in the comments anything else that you might want to see specifically on this. Really appreciate it. Thank you.